Hey everybody, it's Pat with Stayin in State. Today we're staying in the garage and we're going to change the blade on this Ryobi 40 volt lithium electric lawnmower. This one is model number RY401010. It's probably about the most basic model they have. It doesn't have a bagger or anything. It just has a mulcher side chute. Which is notoriously a piece of junk, but we'll make another video about that. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to tip the mower over onto the side, and I would recommend tilting it onto the side without the chute. Okay. Mower blade is right there. I checked before, and this one takes a number 15. Try and find a good way to put my phone here. Okay. You can put one of these piece of wood in here to help stop it. Hit it to loosen it up a little bit. Okay, should be good now. No, maybe not. It doesn't look like it's coming off at all. There we go. So just needed to keep these two pieces kind of up against the bracket, and that seems to stop the motor from spinning while you're spinning the nut off. So take these two pieces off. And now we should be able to pop this right off. Okay, you can see it needs quite a little bit of cleaning here. We'll get that cleaned off. So it's my understanding you should sharpen these every so often or replace them. I have not done that, so we're going to be replacing this because I can even see there's it hasn't been cutting very well. There's a good amount of, I don't think you can see it on the video, but kind of dings and nicks in the blade. I'm gonna get this pulled off. Looks like there's a bunch of long pieces of grass and stuff there, so just general cleanup. Make sure you put everything back the way you found it. Okay, so now I'm gonna go grab a new blade from the hardware store, and we'll pick up right after that.
A few moments later.
Okay, everybody, we're back, and little quick update. Normally these Ryobi blades, they sell them at Home Depot. My Home Depot didn't have any, and I didn't want to wait, 3 days or whatever to get them delivered. So, and actually I left it over here. Hold on. Nope, where did I set that? Oh, there it is. What I found was these HART blades. And you can get these at Walmart. They're basically the same thing. It sounds, at least in the little bit of research I did, that these are made by this, or owned by the same company, and should have all the same holes for the attachment over here. So we'll see if I can do this single-handed. Nope, I'm gonna have to put the phone down again. You can see I cleaned a little bit of the grass out of the mower, but didn't clean it all the way, because a lot of this, unfortunately, I haven't cleaned this probably ever, and a lot of it is just caked in there really good. So once I'm done with mowing, I'll probably spray it off to help loosen it up and clean it off then. Okay, this thing's on pretty good. Actually, it looks like there was a tear off that I missed. Could have looked just a little bit closer. Okay, so here's the blade. We'll take the wrapping off. It's got some information there. So let's see if these line up. Yeah, they're about the same, at least size-wise, and it looks like they line up just fine. I'm not sure how well you can see this. Well, it's coming through on the camera since I'm not holding it, but has the same holes, and just by looking at it that way, they lined up well. So let's see if they line up this way, and they do. Lines up perfect, perfect. Same blades, love it. So now we're just gonna do our previous steps, basically kind of in reverse here. So we'll get this on. Okay, and then we line up our brackets. Okay, use our piece of wood to kind of stop it. We'll get it hand tight first. Okay. Oops. Forget to change your ratchet back. Make sure it's nice and tight on there. I'm gonna use my foot just to hold it. It feels pretty good. So we're all done. That's how you change the blade on a Ryobi. And you can use a HART blade replacement. Just make sure they're the right size. This one's an 18-inch one. And yeah, we're set to mow again. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you like, share, and subscribe our page. We also do a lot of outdoors videos, kayaking, and cycling. Bye.